In front of me is ZTE blade A55, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner. Then choose Clipboard and tap on this switcher next to show the clipboard on your toolbar to make it more accessible. Then to access it, click on it over here. Either way, if you want to add something to your clipboard, you need to copy any text and paste it right away by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard, or paste it later on by clicking on Clipboard and tapping on your text here. To add it manually from Clipboard, hit Add a new clip, type in whatever you want to, and hit Save. Then tap on it to paste it. Now if you want to pin or unpin one of your sentences, use these pin icons on the left. To delete one of them, click on pin icon next to the chosen one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to disable Clipboard shortcut from your toolbar, use the same now yellow switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!